Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to explain very important problems in the chapter inverse trigonometric functions. See the first problem. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 minus tan inverse 2 by 9 is equal to 0. Take LHS part, that is LHS is equal to tan inverse 1 by 7 plus tan inverse 1 by 13 minus tan inverse 2 by 9. 2 by 9. Let us consider first two terms which are in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. We know the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy if xy is less than 1. Let us take x is equal to 1 by 7, y is equal to 1 by 13. This implies xy is equal to 1 by 7 into 1 by 13. That is equal to 1 by 91. 1 by 91, which is less than 1. Here, xy is less than 1. We know that the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. So apply this formula. LHS becomes tan inverse of x plus y, that is 1 by 7 plus 1 by 13 by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 1 by 13 minus tan inverse of 2 by 9. 2 by 9. That is equal to tan inverse of, take LCM in the numerator. Here LCM is 7 into 13, that is 91. Here 1 into 13 is 13 plus 1 into 7, that is 7. Divided by, here in the denominator take LCM. LCM is 91. Here 91 minus 1. 91 minus 1 minus tan inverse of 2 by 9. Tan inverse of 2 by 9. Here LCM 91 get cancelled. Tan inverse of 13 plus 7, that is 20 by 91 minus 1, 90. Here tan inverse of 20 by 90. That is equal to tan inverse of 20 by 90 minus tan inverse 2 by 9. Tan inverse 2 by 9. Here 0 cancel. Tan inverse 2 by 9 minus tan inverse 2 by 9. Here tan inverse 2 by 9 get cancelled, that equal to 0, that is RHS. See the next problem. Prove that tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8 equal to pi by 4. Consider LHS. Here LHS is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. Consider first two terms, that is tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 5. Here it is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. The formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy if xy is less than 1. Let us take x equal to 1 by 2, y is equal to 1 by 5. This implies xy is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. That is 1 by 10. That is less than 1. Here xy is less than 1. Then we know that the formula for tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. That is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. X plus y by 1 minus xy. So LHS becomes tan inverse x plus y. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. 1 by 2 into 1 by 5 plus here last term is tan inverse 1 by 8. Tan inverse 1 by 8. That is equal to tan inverse of, take LCM, the numerator and denominator. Here LCM in numerator is 10. Here 1 into 5, 5 plus 1 into 2, 2 whole divided by. Here LCM in the denominator is 10. Here numerator is 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. Tan inverse 1 by 8. Here LCM 10 get cancelled. Now this is tan inverse 5 plus 2, 7 by 10 minus 1, 9. Tan inverse of 7 by 9 plus tan inverse of 1 by 8. Here we have tan inverse of 7 by 9 plus tan inverse 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Again it is in the form of tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. Let us take x equal to 7 by 9. Y is equal to 1 by 8. First we check out xy is less than 1 or greater than 1. Now xy is equal to 7 by 9 into 1 by 8. That is equal to 7 by 72. 7 by 72. That is less than 1. Here xy is less than 1. Here tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. 7 by 9 plus 1 by 8 by 1 minus 7 by 9 into 1 by 8. That is equal to tan inverse of, take LCMs in the numerator and denominator. LCM is 72. Here 7 into 8, that is 56, plus 1 into 9, 9 whole divided by. Here LCM in the denominator is 72. So 72 minus 7. Here 72 get cancelled. That is equal to tan inverse of 56 plus 9. 65 by 72 minus 7, that is 65. Here 65 get cancelled, that is equal to tan inverse of 1, that is tan inverse of, we know that 1 is tan pi by 4, tan pi by 4, tan inverse of tan pi by 4 is pi by 4, that is RHS. See the next problem. Prove that tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 minus tan inverse 8 by 19 equal to pi by 4. Here LHS is tan inverse 3 by 4 plus tan inverse 3 by 5 minus tan inverse 8 by 19. Let us take x equal to 3 by 4, y is equal to 3 by 5. This implies xy is equal to 3 by 4 into 3 by 5. That is equal to 9 by 20. That is less than 1. If xy is less than 1, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x plus y by 1 minus xy. Apply this formula for first two terms. That is equal to tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. That is 3 by 4 plus 3 by 5 by 1 minus 3 by 4 into 3 by 5. 3 by 4 into 3 by 5 minus tan inverse of 8 by 19. Tan inverse 8 by 19. Take LCMs in the numerator and denominator. LCM in the numerator is 4 into 5, 20. Here 3 into 5, 15 plus 3 into 4, 12. Whole divided by. Take LCM in the denominator also. Here LCM is 20. 20 minus 9. 20 minus 9. Minus tan inverse of 8 by 19. Tan inverse of 8 by 19. Here 20 get cancelled. Tan inverse 15 plus 12, that is 27 by 20 minus 9, that equal to tan inverse 27 by 11 minus tan inverse 8 by 19. 8 by 19. Now it is in the form of tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. We know that tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. If any xy is less than 1 or xy is greater than 1, that is equal to tan inverse of 27 by 11 minus 8 by 19 by 1 plus 27 by 11 into 8 by 19. Take LCMs in the numerator and denominator. Tan inverse of LCM in the numerator is 11 into 19. That is 209. 209. Here 27 into 19, that is 513 minus 8 into 11, 88. Whole divided by. LCM in the denominator is 209. Here 209 plus 27 into 8, that is 216. 216. Here 209 get cancelled. That is equal to tan inverse of 513 minus 88, that is 425 by 209 plus 216, that is 425. Here 425 get cancelled, that is equal to tan inverse of 1, that equal to tan inverse of, here 1 is tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4. We know that tan inverse of tan x is x. Here tan inverse of tan pi by 4, that is equal to pi by 4, that is RHS. That is RHS. See the next problem. Prove that 2 sin inverse 3 by 5 minus cos inverse 5 by 13 is equal to cos inverse of 323 by 325. Let us take sin inverse 3 by 5 is equal to A and cos inverse 5 by 13 is equal to B. Here sin A is equal to 3 by 5. Consider a right angled triangle with an angle A. This is right angle. Here sin A equal to 3 by 5. That is opposite side by hypotenuse. We know that in a right angled triangle, sin A is opposite side by hypotenuse. Here sin A is 3 by 5. Opposite side is 3. Hypotenuse is 5. From Pythagoras rule, we can find adjacent side is 4. Here cos A. Cos A is equal to. In a right angled triangle, cos A is adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5. And here we have cos inverse 5 by 13 is equal to B, that is cos B is equal to 5 by 13. Consider a right angled triangle with an angle B. With an angle B, this is a right angle. Here cos B equal to 5 by 13. In a right angled triangle, cos B is adjacent side by hypotenuse. Adjacent side is 5, hypotenuse is 13. We can find opposite side is 12. Here sin B is equal to sin B. We know in a right angled triangle, sin B equal to opposite side by hypotenuse, that is 12 by 13. 12 by 13. Consider LHS part, that is equal to 2 sin inverse of 3 by 5 minus cos inverse 5 by 13, that is equal to 2A minus B. 2A minus B. Here RHS is cos inverse of 323 by 325. For this, we have to consider 2A minus B as cos inverse of cos 2A minus B. Cos inverse of cos 2A minus B. We know the formula for cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Here cos 2A minus B, that equal to cos inverse of cos 2A minus B is cos 2A cos B plus sin 2A sin B. Sin 2A sin B. Treat it as equation 1. Now we have to find the values of cos 2A and sin 2A. Now cos 2A is equal to, we know the formula for cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus 1, that equal to 2 into, here cos A is 4 by 5, cos square A, that is 4 by 5 whole square, that is 16 by 25 minus 1. Take LCM, 25 is LCM, 2 into 16, that is 32, minus 1 into 25 is 25. Here 32 minus 25 by 25, that is 7 by 25. Here the value of cos 2A is 7 by 25. And sin 2A. Sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A, that equal to 2 into, here Sin A is 3 by 5 and cos A is 4 by 5. 4 by 5. That is equal to 2 into 3, 6, 6 into 4, 24 by denominator is 5 into 5, that is 25. So substitute the values of cos 2a, sin 2a and cos b, sin b in equation 1. Here 1 becomes LHS is cos inverse of here cos 2a, that is 7 by 25 cos 2a, cos b, here cos b is 5 by 13 plus sin 2a, sin b, sin 2a is 24 by 25, sin b is 12 by 13, that equal to cos inverse of 7 into 5, 35 by 25 into 13, that is 325 plus 24 into 12, 288 by 25 into 13, 325. Take LCM. LCM is 325. Numerator is 35 plus 288. That is equal to cos inverse of 35 plus 288, that is 323 by 325. That is RHS.